Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a game changer for any YouTuber, creating eye-catching thumbnails using AI tools. If you're looking to boost your clicks, stick around because this could revolutionize your channel. Creating a thumbnail can be the make or break moment for your video. It's what grabs attention and encourages viewers to click. But not everyone has the time or skills to design these manually. That's where AI comes in. First off, you'll want to choose an AI tool suited for this job. There are several out there, but for starters, Canva and Adobe Spark are user-friendly and integrate AI specifically for designs. They provide templates that are not only easy to use, but also customizable to fit your video's vibe. Once you've picked your tool, the next step is to upload your video content. Most AI tools can scan your video to suggest the best snapshots to use as a base for your thumbnail. This means you're already starting with a frame that represents your video well. Now for the fun part, customization. You can tweak colors, add text, or throw in some shapes. The key here is to make it pop. Bright colors often attract more attention, and big, bold text helps your thumbnail stand out in a sea of images. But here's where AI really shines: optimization. Some AI tools can analyze trends and data to suggest adjustments that might increase your click-through rate. Imagine tweaking your thumbnail based on what's proven to attract viewers. Lastly, always test different thumbnails. Most AI platforms allow you to generate multiple versions, so you can A/B test them to see which one performs the best. This is critical because sometimes small changes can lead to big improvements in viewer engagement. So, there you have it. Using AI to create your YouTube thumbnails not only saves time, but also leverages technology to enhance your content's visibility. Give it a try, and you might just see those clicks skyrocket. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to enhance your YouTube channel. Catch you